Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to everyone watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys mash that subscribe button and that like button on your way out. All you newbies, make sure you watch the video until the very end because we always reveal our free ebook, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some things you'll definitely need to know to start making money in this market. So without wasting much time, let's jump into Bitcoin charts real quick. Since it is the weekend, we'll keep it nice and short. Let's see what we have now. As you guys know, for the last, I would say, week or so, maybe a little bit longer, we've been waiting for this right shoulder on a much larger pattern. This is the right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulder. As you can kind of see the left shoulder here. This is the head. And this is the right shoulder. I wanted to keep the chart clean today rather than having a bunch of mumbo jumbo everywhere. And yesterday we discussed this wedge pattern here. We discussed an alternative. I always like to give every view, even though what we were looking for as of yesterday was a candle just like this. We mentioned in the video, we're looking for a candle just like this to break one side or the other. Which way do we think it was going to go? Up is the way we thought it was going to go. Why? Because the last 7 to 10 days, we have been trading from this point here. We've been trading from this point here, waiting for the right shoulder to play out, where we're looking for a return of around 17%. So we are still actively in this trade because this trade is not invalidated. In this group, we trust the trade until the trade fails us. We don't get in and out and in and out and in and out. So we are in this trade until it reaches the top of the neckline. It has not done that. It has not invalidated itself. We talk about everything in between. So we talked about looking for a candle like this to break out. And look what we got, guys. I mean, we couldn't ask for more than what we just got here. We got an 8.7% candle there. And we got a 7.5% candle here. I mean, it's pretty much clockwork what just happened. Big candle in. Big candle out. We've broken three of the last little highs here. We've broken up and outside of the pattern here, the wedge here. So what we're looking for now is to reach the top of the neckline. Here's the neckline here around 4,400. Here's the right shoulder. We want to trade to the top of the neckline to see if the inverse head and shoulder is going to completely play out to a whole new level, about 25% up. So what we're looking for now is where Bitcoin is at the particular moment. So this will be a buy zone. This will be a setup for me. Since I'm in here, I don't see another sense in getting in here. If I did get in here, I'd move my stop loss right up under this buy zone. That way these profits are protected up to here. And then when I get up and above this buy zone, I'll move my stop loss up and above here and let it get to the target. So I'll have two entries. But I think I'm just going to leave my entry in from here and let it leverage this way all the way to the 4,400 region. So another buy zone, I think, would be here, guy. In any one of these regions. This would be region 1. This would be region 2. This would be region 3. We could see this come all the way back down to this buy zone. Feel free to buy anywhere in here and take it back up to the neckline. After seeing a huge upside candle engulfing all of these candles here, after seeing the rejection off of the trustworthy upwards trend here, that's been holding very well. It touches, it bounces, it touches, it bounces. Did the same thing here. Yesterday we said we're looking for this big candle up and outside one way or the other. This is the direction we thought it would go. This is the buy zone, so we're looking for something like this to happen. Bounce in here. And another 8-9% move back to the target of the neckline. That would make the pattern of the inverse head and shoulder almost complete as far as it forming. And then the actual trade would play out when the neckline is broken and price is held above the 4,400 region. So everything that we've been looking for the last 7 to 10 days is actually still playing out. I told you guys once we saw this move here, it could take weeks to get to the top of the neckline because down here is 3,700. Up here is 4,300. That's a long way up for Bitcoin. Look for the retest here. this is your entry. This is never your entry here unless you got in here thinking, this is going to be my way up. My stop loss is tight right in this area. That would have been a good trade. Okay, but this is not a trade here. The retest is a trade, not one candle. I think it's going to make its way down. It's going to retest nicely, and then you're going to see another one of these candles just absolutely smash this neckline, or at least reach it, stop, and make its next move at that point. So I think it's a safe move to look for an entry right in here, and then next week look for that movement, so that stairwell straight to heaven to 4,400 area, where we'll see a lot of profit. And that's when you start checking out all these other charts, which is what we'll be doing. We've got a lot of other tokens that have blasted off. This one is retesting an area here. You can see it. It's just retested this area here, and it's rejected it. It's looking to fill in this wick. I mean, there's a lot of different crypto that are setting up. So we'll talk about a lot of that when the volume returns tomorrow. Ethereum has actually been doing very good lately. It's taken over the #2 spot as of about a week ago. XRP is doing very well as always. You see small little downtrends forming and then being broken. So that's positive. Always look out for things like that, guys. But our focus is always on Bitcoin for now until we see a solid move up and out like we just saw. That is a very, very positive thing for me. Let's see this retest. Let's buy in. Let's get some profit. Let's look for setups on the altcoin market where we can see these low cap coins really start to blast off that 15-30%. So that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the setup here. I hope you enjoyed the last 5 or 6 videos, because they've been leading up to exactly what we thought is going to happen, as do most of our videos here. So guys, make sure you pay attention, make sure you come back every day, and make sure you subscribe and follow the channel. And we'll be back tomorrow at the same time. In the description below, guys, I want you guys to check out that description, check out that link, the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. Click that link, get your free ebook. There's all kinds of tips and tricks and stuff that we use to make trades, how we place them, where we place them. Bunch of stuff from Cody Sperber himself. It's all free. Check it out. If you've been here before and you haven't taken advantage of it, it's not a waste of time, guys. There's a lot of good stuff in there. Personally, myself, Cody Sperber, the whole team here at the Alliance, spent a lot of time putting it together. So make sure you check it out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.